Oh, wow. How deep is this guy? Oh, man. Oh, 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 oh. Ha ha! How about that? I'm excited about this little fella. I can't quite figure it out because I came back up here a half hour ago and the other end of the run had been worked, and I waited for 15 minutes for him to move and he didn't move. So I walked that end back down, come back up, and this end is moving. This guy has just been wreaking havoc in my yard. I don't know what he was thinking. Hey buddy, not a good idea. But anyway, this is another one of those moles that continues to come back through some old runs. Man, I think I still may have another one just on the other side of this hill that I tried to catch a little bit ago, but could be the same one. I don't know, but I do know this. This one decided to work on my birthday. Not a good move, brother. All right, let's go catch some moles. God bless you all from the MOLiminator.